Suppose you are given a line whose C is equal to 2 and M is equal to 5. What is the formula then?
5x plus 2.
Y is equal to 5x plus 2. And then again you have to given a line C is equal to 5, M is equal to minus 2. What will be the formula?
Minus 2x plus 5.
Is not it? So, now you see this M and C, these values are changing. So, it is not variable, these are the parameters, parameters in the sense for this line it is constant 2 and 5 is constant, but for this line M and C are variable, M and C are variable, but 5 and minus 2 is constant. For this line minus 2 and 5 is constant for this line, for line gets changed, this M and C gets changed. So, these are called parameters. Okay. Any confusion? First time it is you are listening this term. So, you will have a little bit confusion still, but you give a deep thought at home and you will get the difference. Okay. So, x and y are variables, M C are parameters, and when M and C has given a particular value, suppose 5 and 2, then it is become a constant and constant for that line, it represents a single line, but for different line M and C will be different. Now, I want that you are given a 2 points and you have to draw a straight line. Points are given 5 and 2 and 9 and 8. You have to do it in Excel, and I will give you only 4 minutes. I will also do with you. Same Excel file, you can open a new worksheet and here you put x and y, very simple, then 5 and 2, nine and 8. You see, this is the line and I have calculated its slope, and Now, what I have done I will explain. I have given a point 5 and 2 and 9 and 8, and I have asked you to draw a line. I have drawn it in blue color, this line is appearing here, and then I have calculated the slope. We know that y 2 minus y 1 divided by x 2 minus x 1 is the slope, and I have done it, and its value is 1.5. Then I have calculated its intercept. Intercept is equal to y minus m x is equal to c, and that I have calculated here, and with that I have actually calculated the line from minus 5 to x is equal to minus 5 to 5 to, so that earlier I was not knowing how this line will look like and where it will cut. Now, I have seen that it will cut x axis at minus 5.5, and this is the red one is the actual line which we are drawn. Up to this everybody comfortable? Any doubt can raise hand, I will, otherwise I will proceed to the next topic. You see this, when you have tool, no, how easy it becomes to calculate a slope, to calculate an intercept, and you can draw your line as per your requirement, is not it? So, everybody is comfortable? Raise hand. All participant who is having laptop have finished. Any issue? No? Okay. So, I am going back. Because we have to draw frequently many lines like that, and formula I have given here y 2 minus y 1 by x 2 minus x 1 and c is equal to y minus m. So, these are the things. X is independent variable, y is equal to dependent variable, m is slope, c is intercept, and m and c are constant for a particular line. That term is actually, you see, this is the issue. M and c is constant, but this constant is for particular line. When this line changes, m and c changes, that is why it is parameter. Parameter is a fixed value for a particular line, but it changes with different line when line gets changed. Okay? That is the parameter. And different types of straight line. Different types of straight line. Okay? What are the different types of straight line? Can you imagine how you can tell about how many types of straight line? Just think.
Dotted straight line with
That will be a straight line only. Dot. Okay, you are changing. Any other type of straight line?
horizontal.
Two. What is that?
Vertical, horizontal.
Vertical and horizontal. There is no other straight line. Slant, very good, slant. Any other? Falling, falling like that. Any other? Any other?
For z axis,
Huh?
like z axis.
Z axis, okay, that will be again line, some line, horizontal or vertical. Any other type? You are right, there can be a Z axis. So, this can be a line. Any other type? Just I am trying to explore, to extract from your side. If I just casually tell no, then we do not understand the gravity. what types of lines? Any other type? You see here almost all everything covered. Who has told falling? Falling who has told? You?
किसने बोला?
किसने बोला था?
Means
नहीं, फॉलिंग लाइन कौन बताया था?
Z axis.
somebody told horizontal, somebody told vertical. फॉलिंग कौन बताया था?
मैंने ही बताया.
हाँ, वही पूछ रहा हूँ, आप बताए थे. तो आपको फॉलिंग लग रहा है और कुछ नहीं लग रहा है उसके साथ?
Z axis.
हाँ, वो तो कर दिया. और नहीं है. ओके. हाँ हाँ, बताइए बताइए. क्यों डरने का नहीं है, ये बोला ना इनफॉर्मल है. हम टीचर नहीं है. टीचर डांट देगा, ऐसा नहीं है. बताइए.
वो गलत है.
नहीं, गलत नहीं है, आप सही बोल रहे थे. सही बोल रहे थे. बताइए क्या बोल रहे थे?
एक फॉलिंग होती है और एक गोइंग अपवर्ड्स होती है.
हाँ, बात तो सही है ना. आपको भी मैं वही बोल रहा था. आप फॉलिंग बोल रहे हैं तो फॉलिंग में तो आप गिर गया तो उठेंगे ना. तो उठना तो चाहिए. राइजिंग, isn't it? सो इतना तरह का लाइन होता है. अभी कितना हो गया, हमारा 100 सिस्टम होने दो. बट दैट इज ए, इफ इट इज रिप्रेजेंट ए स्ट्रेट लाइन, then that is only 2 types, not so many. 2 types. What are they? Isn't it? There are 2 types of lines, falling and rising. Falling and rising. Now, how will define this falling line? I am telling you a line is falling. What? Which one then?
Slope negative होता है.
Very good, very good. So slope negative means m is minus. ये बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स है. इफ यू आर क्लियर अबाउट दिस, नो, then life will be very very simple. There is no complexity in higher mathematics. Only thing we have ambiguity in these terms, and we face problem in later phase. So this is the 2 lines. Then you have told this horizontal line, vertical lines. Okay. Then what will be that? This is agree? There will be some line which we cannot define whether it is rising or not. So, neither rising neither falling. So, horizontal line. What will be the vertical line? Vertical line? I can say anything. It is either rising or falling, both हो सकते हैं, is not it? Vertical line. So these are 2 extreme cases of lines. Line तो either falling or rising, that's all. Now coming back to our discussion, this slope m, tan theta and dy dx are same. So ultimately coming to our calculus, when we are dealing with calculus, we are calculating dy dx and actually we are calculating slope of the line, is not it? But whenever we ask what for you are doing dy dx, hardly any pupil correlate with that line. Clear? So, whenever you see dy dx or d square y dx square, d cube y dx cube, all these things are representing geometrically, it is a straight line, not even curved line, that also you remember. What will be the dy dx?